Why digital detox matters.
Constant device use can overwhelm your mind and drain your attention. Too much screen time leads to stress, disrupted sleep, and lower productivity. A digital detox offers a way to reset, allowing you to regain clarity, improve focus, and boost your overall well-being. Learning a quick routine makes it easy to refresh your mind without giving up technology entirely.
Set a clear intent.
Begin your detox by deciding why you want to unplug. Do you want sharper focus, better sleep, or simply more free time? Identifying your goal keeps you motivated. Even a short detox can make a difference if you approach it with purpose and commitment. Take a moment to write down your intention before you start.
Create a device-free zone.
Designate one area in your home, like your dining table or bedroom, as a device-free zone. Leave your phone, tablet, or computer outside this area during your detox. This simple boundary encourages mindful breaks from screens and helps signal to your brain that it's time to disconnect and recharge.
Try a 30-minute break.
Set aside just 30 minutes to step away from all digital devices. Use this time for activities that refresh you, such as taking a walk, reading a physical book, or engaging in a hobby. Even a short break gives your mind a chance to reset, making it easier to return to your tasks with renewed clarity.
Reflect and adjust.
After your digital detox, pay attention to how you feel. Are you more focused, relaxed, or energized? Take note of any changes and consider what worked best for you. Building regular, short digital detoxes into your routine can help sustain mental clarity and boost your productivity over time.